How to set up a screensaver on your computer or laptop. So first you'll need to open up the settings by right-clicking on the start button and then go to settings. And from here you can search for lock screen and then click on lock screen settings. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and you should find a button here or a link like this which says Screensaver or Screensaver settings. Click on it and it should open up this window right here. Now if it's set to none, you want to switch it to photos if you want to display photos on your screensaver, and then you can basically press the settings, and this should allow you to specify a folder from where the images or pictures should be displayed. It defaults to the pictures folder, but you can change it if you open up the browse and browse somewhere else. And then you can basically control the slide show speed. You can make it slow, medium, or fast, and you can shuffle pictures to play them randomly. And once you're satisfied with the settings, just press save and apply, and then press OK. And now within 1 minute, it should basically start the screensaver process and shuffling and displaying the images. And on resume, you can choose to go back directly to desktop or basically display the log on screen again to log in back. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.